Hi, so welcome back. Different video today. I'm going to be making a knife out of just household bits, although we have bought a bit of 3mm steel, but you can use anything for this. You can use an old spade or shovel, draw around the back of that and cut it out, but we're going to we've chosen to use a jack pike knife because they're quite meaty, quite a nice knife. We're going to put it onto the sheet steel, draw around it in a minute. And then we're going to use the bench grinder over there, which Harv will probably do, and we'll grind it all into shape. And then I've got a bit of paracord which can be used for a handle, or you can use wood depending on what you like. But yeah, let's get started. So basically, when drawing the knife, you can put it on the steel, but you won't always get the exact shape, so it's better to do it on the cardboard, cut the cardboard out and then draw around the cardboard just so it's a little bit neater. Doesn't have to be exact, as the sander will take out a lot of the roughness of the shape anyway. So simple as that. You want to get yourself a pair of scissors and cut that out. So there you go. Now it's ready to go onto the metal and be drawn around again. That's the basic shape. Yeah, it's coming along nice. Put a hand over to Harv now and he'll make it look extra pretty.
Just need to put an edge on it.
Okay, so the blade is done. Harv's done a great job on that. The edge is nice and sharp. And you could leave that stock if you wanted to. But I'm just going to wrap a bit of paracord around the handle for a bit of grip. But it just also means you have a bit of string if you ever needed to, and you didn't have any on you. You've got some which you can take off the handle. So if you just start at the bottom of the base of the handle, and basically what you want to do is just, you can either crisscross it or just a basic link all the way up, like I'm doing here. And then I'll probably melt the end so you don't have a big old bumpy knot at the end to finish it off. We've also been sharpening all our axes while the camera's been on and off. So Harv's chopping a ton of wood over there with all the different axes we've managed to sharpen today, and we will probably be making an axe out of this in a future video maybe. Basically, there you have it. So that's good to go, ready to be used, and I might be giving it away in a future video.